Hey stranger, how is your summer treating you? Right over here is pretty hot, but also quite good. I hope you're doing okay and you're gonna have an awesome weekend. So, I wanted to say that if you're still not tired of me, this weird Latina person, that you are actually waiting a little bit forward or looking forward to more live videos from me, both in English and Spanish. So I really hope you can join me. And in the meantime, just sit back, relax, enjoy summertime, and if you can, take some sun for me. I hope you're doing well and take care. Mwah. And for all of those burping fans, this is for you. Only here on my YouTube channel. Okay, wait. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh. Woo. Anyway, so you don't open your legs like that. You keep them closed. You squat a little bit like that, and then you grab your knees. You're a woman. You see that? That hurt. That hurt like a mother. Okay. Oof. Told you. Wait. That was enough cheese. Enough. Oops, I did it again. I burped about it. Okay, wait. You smell that? Do you smell that? I smell like burping. Oh yeah. That's hot. Wait. Wait, it's coming. It's coming. Fizzy. Okay. Better. Even my dog is upset. I feel much better. Okay, much love from me. Take care and don't be a stranger.